How to enable battery health monitoring in iOS 18.3. Firstly, open Settings on your device. In Settings, go to the General option, tap on Software Update and make sure you have updated to iOS 18.3. Now go back to your previous page. To check your battery health, go to Battery option. In the Battery option, you should see an interface like this. Here at the bottom, you should be able to see all the data about your battery. On the second section, click on the Battery Health option. As you can see that my battery health is normal. Now you will see options such as maximum capacity and cycle count. Now go back to your previous page. On the same section, click on the second option called Charging. Right now the charge limit is set to 100%, but you can set it according to your preference. You can see the data of last 24 hours or last 10 days. Make sure that you understand the battery health chart. This way you can get to know more about your battery health. That's all for today. Thank you.